this is the one side. So we need to change car key battery. So this is clip it. So there's a little screw. We can find a thin screwdriver. So we need to screw. It's a thin one. We need to press hard. Then there's a battery. It's a 2032. We'll use it. So this screw, we can press it there. Yes. So if we press it here, this will come up. And here you can press there. This side. So basically I'm controlling my mobile and the screw. This is the way. If we clip it might be a little bit hard, so then we can use remote. So that side is one side and this is another side. So we can use again this is screwdriver. Then so if we flip it here, we need to come. So this is one side. This is one. So this will be top facing, right? Now this is the new battery. We can use same way here. If we press here, do this same way. So this is the new battery. This is old one. 2032 battery. Now we'll use same this plate. So it will go there. If we clip there, then look at this. And press there. So this and there. So we press here. Then it is now okay. Ready to go. Okay. Thank you.